Hey there, I'm Crystal, content director and photographer over at Crystal Clear Photography, and I wanted to share with you 3 tips on why you should be using a tripod when you're doing your flat lay photography. If you notice, a lot of your favorite stock photographers and flat lay photographers like myself all use a tripod. We start using tripods for a particular reason, and I'm going to give you 3 great reasons why you should start using a tripod whenever you're trying to do your photos yourself. First is that you're going to want stability. Tripods are going to provide you with that stability. You can set it up, you don't have to move it. Well, you might bump it, and that's okay, but you don't have to move it. So you can put it in one position. It will provide you with the stability that your camera needs so that you aren't ending up with those shaky photos that lackluster and are just completely out of focus. There's nothing worse than going to snap a photo, just like when you're taking a picture of your kid who's running by, and the shifting movement causes blurriness or causes just that little bit of fuzziness in your photo. It keeps it lacking that really good clarity that you want it to have. So that's one of the first advantages of being able to use that tripod. The second reason that you should be using a tripod when you're shooting your own photos is it makes it super easy to switch out your setups. If you have your tripod already positioned and in place, you can easily slide underneath, move some things around on your board, add in some different products, switch out your props, or maybe even your backdrop, and then be able to continue snapping without having to worry about whether or not you lost the positioning or the lighting that you were looking for. That brings me to my last tip. It helps you also maintain consistency when it comes to your lighting and your positioning. If you were trying to shoot some photos that you want to be pretty similar for the most part, obviously we want our lighting to be as optimal as possible. Having a tripod in place really helps you do that because you can have it set up in one place, adjust and set your camera settings to exactly what you need them to be, and then be able to easily, again, switch out your props, your backdrops, and your products and be able to keep everything as consistent as possible. And overall, your clarity will be much better, your photos will be much better, and it'll be a lot less stress on you if you just start using a tripod. And for more tips and tricks on how you can continue to improve your product photography or overall brand photography for yourself, make sure to click below and subscribe. You get weekly videos just for me on tips and things that are going to help you continue to improve. And don't forget to keep a lookout for my flat lay method e-course that's coming soon.